Zenith Pulse Bank is one of the busiest private sector banks, with branches across multiple locations in the country. It faced difficulties in managing the maintenance of multiple facilities, reinforcing the security of inmates, and checking needless energy consumption. Innomaint, a one-stop digital solution, secured and optimized maintenance for Zenith Pulse Bank. With Innomaint's cutting-edge facility and equipment management software, Zenith Pulse Bank efficiently tracked maintenance schedules and maximized equipment performance, rendering its banking facilities such as branches, ATMs, etc., creating a warm, customer-friendly environment. Meet David, one of the skilled technicians working to his fullest potential, and have access to a comprehensive service history of assets via mobile with a simple QR code scan, ensuring seamless banking operation. Also, Zenith Pulse Bank monitored energy consumption through IoT energy metering solution, which contributed to a greener, energy-efficient environment while saving big on utility costs. With Innomaint's visitor management system, Zenith Pulse Bank also streamlined the entire visitor check-in experience with speed, accuracy, and privacy, ensuring productive meetings and safeguarded locker rooms from fraudulent activities. To make your banking facility maintenance operations more effective, join the list of leading banking and financial institutions already benefiting from Innomaint as Zenith Pulse Bank. Revolutionize your banking facilities management today. Visit Innomaint.com and register for a free personalized demo. Contact us today and take your operations to new heights. Innomaint, empowering banking excellence.